Hello, this is for the 58th season of the Ukulele Instrumental Week. I am no instrumentalist by any stretch of the imagination. I only learned to fingerpick just recently, and so I really don't fingerpick melodies. So I'm going to make an attempt here at an instrumental. I don't know if it qualifies for an instrumental because I'm going to sing a chorus, so if it needs to be a bonus, that's okay too. But anyway, excuse me. The song is Me, Myself, and I, which I've always liked since I heard Billie Holiday do it a long time ago. So here we go. Myself and I are all in love with you. We all think you're wonderful, we do. Me, myself, and I have just one point of view. We're convinced there's no one else like you. It can't be denied, dear. You brought the sun to us. We'd be satisfied, dear. You belong to one of us. So if you pass me by, 3 hearts will break in two. 'Cause me, myself, and I are all in love with you. Thanks.